Hey, hey guys, so here's some things I'm going to get for the Zippo lighter I have. I'm going to get this, so I keep it updated, and the lighter fluid, I'm getting 24 ounces of it, which the 24 ounces, buying two 12-ounce cans are cheaper than buying 6 4-ounce cans of lighter fluid, and the Flint and Wick co-pack. And then lighter, let's see, per Flint. This is very deciding on what I want to do. This is wild. It's making me decide on what I want. Debating. So yeah, guys, this is a bunch of crazy stuff for Zippo lighters. So hopefully you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so get notified when I upload live stream, make YouTube shorts. And keep it on Community tab until YouTube makes featured or you get notified when I post in Community tab. Bye guys, peace, I'm out.